Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm He Liang from ASIPP. I'm proud to be here on this special occasion. Today, I would like to talk to you about some of our work in the field of space-resolved vacuum ultraviolet spectroscopy development and testing. There are four parts to describe our work. First part is introduction. The study of derivative physics is crucial for improving plasma performance in tokamak. The stable radiation derivative operation, uh, impurity transports of derivative region, the effect of resonant magnetic perturbation on plasma are main research directions. So, how to observe the derivative region physics mechanism? The measurement of impurity radiation is an effective way to study derivative region physics mechanism. The impurity emission in derivative area is in the VUV range, and the H impurity radiation is located near X point. So the VUV spectroscopic diagnostic is a standard technology to measure impurity emission in derivative region. The part 2 is the VUV spectrometer optic design. The VUV spectrometer is one equal-type spectrometer. The detector shifts with grating scanning for high resolution and low aberrations. The interest angle alpha and the diffraction angle beta are defined by rotation angle theta to realize 50 to 3000 nanometer wavelength scanning. Well, we'll move to the next point of optic design. This picture shows the interest width and the diffraction limit are main factors for influence of spectral resolution. The ring tracing in interest slates with a height of 1 millimeter shows the enough spectral resolution to separate the spectral lines at 80 nanometer and 150 nanometer. And we will go into next part, the VUV spectroscopy engineering design. The VUV spectroscopy is installed at the backside of a vacuum expansion chamber on east, and the collimating measure is installed between plasma and the vacuum expansion chamber to observe the derivative region about 400 millimeter radially. Then we will talk about VUV spectrometer. The VUV spectrometer is mainly composed of intranslate assembly, a grating assembly, and an imaging assembly. Sure, there are many other auxiliary components such as collimating laser, feed-through, and rotary actuator, and so on. And then there are two types slate and intra-slate assembly. The vertical slates and the horizontal slates are used to space resolved and the spectral resolution separately. And we use the rotary actuator to high accuracy grating scanning. And Andor DU940P is a very effective VUV detector. The VUV spectrometer is tested at the National Secretarial Radiation Laboratory of USTC in Hefei. UV-B9 stations have high luminous flux in wavelength range of 5 to 140 nanometer. The VUV spectrometer have measured zero-order light without filter and 18 spectral lines with filter. In conclusion, I would like to indicate the following points. The VUV spectroscopy diagnostic is designed to measure impurity radiation in individual region. The VUV spectrometer is 1 meter eagle type spectrometer with no aberration and high resolution, and the observation and the wavelength range are 400 millimeter and 50 to 3000 nanometer separately. The zero-order light and the 80 nanometer spectral line have measured by VUV spectrometer at the National Secretarial Radiation Laboratory of USTC in Hefei. Thank you very much.